Hey there, this is Dave, and I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. I'm going to try to make this as quick and easy as possible, but what I have for you today is an opportunity to pick up a piece of software that I am doing for a limited time only for my list. Now, the plan for this software and for a lot of my software pieces is to bundle them up and put them in a really high ticket offer. All right, but I have sold one of them already at a discount rate. This one is also going to be at a discount rate. So if you're interested in picking up software that you can use, now this is a software builder, okay? So this will build some Windows software that I think you're really going to find interesting. And I really want you to take some time here, just kind of kick back, close everything up, and be focused here. I'm going to try to get this under 20 minutes, but this is going to be a little bit longer than I'm normally used to, or that you're normally used to, because I like to do these things quick and easy. But what I have for you today is the software product builder. Okay, now what this does, and I'm going to show you some samples right now of a few pieces of software that I created using the software product builder. If you purchase this, you're going to get access to all of the source files of what I'm building here today and what I'm showing you. So that's going to all be covered. Plus I have some other bonuses that I'm going to throw in there for you. So it's going to be a really good deal, but it is a limited time. Okay, this is only going to last about 4 days. Then I'm going to close it up. So I only want those on my list that are really interested in picking this up. And the rest of you are going to have to wait. If you don't get it in this limited time, then you're going to pay a lot more if sometime down the road you decide you want to get your hands on this piece of software. So with that being said, let's get to this. Again, I was going to do this whole long, drawn-out PowerPoint, but I mean, basically, let me just go through it really quick. This software is for anybody that wants to make money online. I'm going to show you in a second how you can build these simple pieces of software, and I'll show you the source file and everything, but I want you to see the functionality of the software first. All right, in case you don't know too much about me, I've been an online marketer for 7 years. I've sold hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of digital products. This software particularly, I've sold probably over $40,000 just using this software builder. There's some proof there. I was nominated for Vendor of the Year at Warrior Plus in 2015. I came in third, I believe, but some pretty good company there. So that's me and my family. I'm just a regular guy. I like USC football and USC sports, and pretty much that's it. That's my life. My kids, my sports, and building software and digital products. All right, that's who I am. Kind of boring, but anyways, let's move on. This is a case study right here, the MSM Bootstrap mobile software. It's a mobile software piece that I created. It builds a mobile template. I'm going to show you a sample of one in just a second. This one right here did about $23,000. Excuse me. I also have a few others that I've done. Have done really well. Now this is just on this Warrior Plus platform. I didn't show my JVZoo numbers, so there are a lot more. It's probably about $45,000 worth of software that I've built just using this software builder. All right. This software does have some really good features, some that you may be familiar with. If you own my software dash builder, you've seen a brander before. You've seen a registration process and things of that nature. This also has that. So it allows you to sell software with master resale rights or private label rights and rebranding rights. So that's really cool because it adds like a multiple stream of income like already built into it. All right, so there's those. And I hope I'm not going too fast for you, but I really don't want to have this thing just all drawn out. You know, as far as where to sell software, you can sell it anywhere you want. I mean, here's a few options here. The Warrior Forum, Warrior Plus, JVZoo are great options. You sell it on your website, use paid traffic. Software has a really high perceived value, so running Facebook ads to some software, you can really get some good returns, okay? Now, typically, if you had a software idea, you'd have to find a programmer, and then you have to pay the programmer. You don't know how long it's going to take. You don't even know if you can trust them or not. And whether or not the finished product is going to be tested, you'd have to do all the testing. You'd have to have them for ongoing support because you probably don't know much about the software, right? So, like, forget about all that because nobody has time to do any of that, right? I mean, I hate hiring programmers. I like to have full control over the software that I build. That's why the software product builder is really good for you, okay? So cool. That's just my quick introduction. It took 5 minutes, all right? So not too bad. Here's a sample here of a plugin rebrander. So you get a plugin that has resale rights or private label rights that you can rebrand and sell it with rebranding rights, right? So whoever I sell this to gets to rebrand the plugin as their own, then they can sell it to their clients, and it has their name and their website all put into it, right? Well, this is what I built. I built this little rebranding tool so that you can have the plugin and the customer doesn't have to go into the code and find everything. So let's say I want to change this to welcome to you plugin, right? Hit next. We put our domain in there. All right, it's important for backlinks. Plugin adder greets band with main website. This is a totally cool plugin. I'm just going to put something in there just so you can see how it works. The version number, let's change it, beef it up. All right, my name right there. Let's put our a business URL in there. Now let's create the plugin. All right, let's go to our desktop. Let's make a new folder. And let's put it in this folder here, plugin rebrander sample. Let's click OK. All right, cool. Let's open it up. Here's the file here. Here's my plugin already zipped up because the software has zipping capability, and it zipped it up for me so that now this plugin can just be sold. It could be uploaded to a server and it's all branded and everything. But more importantly, let's find that little file where the information would have had to have been changed. Here it is, right here. Here's the plugin name, welcome to you plugin. That's what I put in there. I put in, this is a totally cool plugin. There's my version number, and then plugin palace is what I put in there. So you can see that this plugin, these files are rebranded. Don't believe me? Let me go ahead and zip this up. Let me put a new folder in here, just so you see these files that I'm unzipping. All right, and then let's check out the info there. There it is. It's the same thing. It was just all zipped up. Pretty cool, right? So do you think you can build a plugin rebrander for, I mean, I don't know how many thousands of plugins are out there, and then just resell them and sell this with the rebranding tool so that your customers can rebrand the plugin themselves? I mean, pretty cool, easy money maker for sure, all right? All right, here's another one. Let's go squeeze page demo software. Let's say demo squeeze page. Here's the pre-header. Discover how we'll change it to free software. All right, now let's put an image in there. Let's go find an image somewhere in here. We'll go. Now this is an image that I'm going to lay on top of. Let's see if I got some graphics in here. Ebook. Yeah, we'll lay this on top of the squeeze page there. Let's see how that works out. They started laughing when I first doing. First created software, put your name and email in the form below. We put our opt-in form here, but we don't have one. But we're going to put, let me go find one. Hold on. All right, we'll go find an opt-in code. And let's see, here's a sample. We'll take that. Look at all that text. I'm going to go ahead and grab it. I'm not sure which opt-in code this is for, but we're just going to put it in there and see if it works. Now we have footer links. We can change this. Amazon. We can put, I'm just using this as an example because you can put any link that you want. You just follow the instruction here. See the hints and tips? So obviously this wouldn't be completely accurate, but I just want you to see that I'm really changing all the information and not just putting in something that's already pre-made. All right, contact information, we'll go ahead and pass that. Now here's a color picker. Look at how this works. You get your color picker, we'll go ahead and put blue. All right, website URL. All right, and we can change our copyright year. Let's hit finish. Now this time we'll put squeeze sample. All right, click OK. All right, this is just a squeeze page that I built. Let's see if we can get it to open up in our browser. And here we go. You guys see that? I got my email autoresponder in there. That's the graphic that I uploaded. We have our links down here. Okay. Now, I just built this piece of software because this is a squeeze page that I want to sell to somebody. And if I wanted to sell them a squeeze page, selling squeeze pages isn't that easy to do unless you give them some software that they can edit really easy. So I used the software. I edited the template here. All right. And obviously, you know, some of the text is bad and everything, but I mean, this is a squeeze page. It's mobile friendly and all that good stuff. All right. But that is as simple as creating a squeeze page. So that's another way that you can use the software product builder. All right. You guys with me so far? Here's another one. This one builds mobile templates. Okay. So if you are in the offline industry and you want to sell some mobile templates and have some ideas about how to do mobile templates, you can go ahead and do something like this. Let me just find, see, this one is asking for an image. Okay, it's asking actually for a logo. So let me go ahead and find a logo here. Cool. A slider image. We'll go ahead and upload just a few images. We'll go with that one. We'll go with another one. There's another one here. And we'll use one more. How about that one? All right. Again, we'd be using this to create for a local business, so we'd put in all their information. A YouTube video. All right. You want to use a YouTube video? Let's go to YouTube. Let's find something on YouTube that's just, I don't know, Steph Curry. Again, it's not going to make sense, but see right up here is a YouTube ID. I've created this software so you could just put in your YouTube ID and it goes right under the template. All right, we choose a template button color. Let's go with orange. And the header area, let's go with blue. And the footer area, we'll go with orange again. All right, copyright year, let's hit finish. And again, let's call this sample mobile website. And just like that, my software built my sample mobile site. Let's go ahead and put that here. Here it is. This is the mobile site that my software just built. Now, I'm showing you the final software pieces, and these are already pre-made. I know that, but there's that video that I put in there. Okay. Let's hit home. Let's go to services. All right, we got services here. So pretty cool, right? Now this is the software that we can sell to offline marketing consultants that would like mobile software builders. They are so stinking easy to build. These software pieces, I kid you not, took me less than 20 minutes to build each. Okay, now this is how they're built. Let me show you one quick sample here of how they are built. Here's the mobile template, for example. This is how you build software using the software product builder. Everywhere that you want content or information to be replaced, you put a tag in there. So you put a little tag. All I did was went, okay, I wanted the title. I want the business name to go up there. All right, there's a YouTube, or how about a logo? I want a logo to be uploaded. Okay, so I put a tag right in that space where the logo goes. Pretty easy. How about the YouTube video? Yeah, I want a YouTube video on my site, and I want it right here. So I put a tag to replace where that YouTube video is. Now imagine selling mobile website templates to consultants or to offline businesses, and they have no idea how to edit HTML. Okay, this is like the toughest part about building software, is being able to open up a text editor like I just did and be able to find the area to replace what you want. For example, here in the information for the email, if I didn't want it to go to that particular email, I go ahead and put email, some hashtags, and a closing bracket, and now I have a new tag. All right, so let me show you how this works. Let me save that because we added that email. Let me show you how the software product builder works. All right, so our software product builder opens up. We put in our software title here, mobile template, David Cisneros. You put a description if you want. You can put the about box URL, the text. You can put, you know, you can put affiliate links in here if that's what you want to do. Then you go find the actual folder where you have your tagged files, okay? And we'll go to my projects here, software product builder projects, our samples, and we'll go to our mobile template, okay? This is the template here where I have all of my tags. Click OK. When I hit next, I hit the scan for tags, and now it scans the entire folder and it looks for those tags that I put. Remember that email tag that I put in there? There it is. Okay? Really easy. So right here, our first question, here's our tag, business name. We want a text entry, and we put enter the business name. I always put a default answer in there just so the customer knows what to put in there. And then you can put a brief explanation right here. Here we put in our business name of the person that you're making the template for. That's as simple as it is. You go all the way through this. For uploading logo, let me show you how easy this is. Image file selection. Upload company logo. And then we would put in here best dimensions, best logo are 200 pixels by 80 pixels. Whatever the template requires. You don't want them putting in something massive. Okay? Now, subfolder. Where do I want this to go? Well, I want it to go in the images folder. I just type in the word images. And that image will get put right into my images folder. This is so easy to do. Okay? You do the same thing for sliders, for the phone numbers, for the YouTube ID. Everything is easy. Let me go ahead and open up a project so you can see exactly how this all works out. See this? I already have my folder up there, and I already have the tags, everything put in. So you get to the end, we hit the finish button, and you can even change out the background image. Look at the background image on this one. We make these backgrounds look like they're their own piece of software, okay? The other software that I've shown you, they each had their own background image. We put the file name in there. And I have tutorials that take you step by step. Believe me, once you do one of these, you'll be able to make software over and over and over again, okay? At the end of it, you hit build your software. We're not going to build over the one that we already have because I already have these samples built and I want to get these handed out to you guys. But once you're done, you now have your software all built. Let me show you what I did here. Here's a great idea of a way to use this particular style of software. This is the Webinar Authority funnel builder. Now, if you're into selling PLR products like I am, then this is going to be a great tool. Check this out. I was in my favorite PLR vault, which is the Resale Rights Weekly, and I saw this product here, Webinar Authority Gold. Well, I do webinars and I do marketing, so I like this product. Now, when I downloaded this product, this is everything that it came with. Okay, actually not that one. Let me see if I could find it here. Webinar Authority. When I downloaded the product, it came with an ebook, the checklist, all these different things, right? Now, this is a private label rights product, which means actually it has master resale rights. So the master resale rights allow my users, so if I sold this to you, it would allow you to go ahead and resell this product. Well, that's awesome, right? And it comes with a sales page, look at an index page, a thank you page. But look at everything that you would have to change on these pages, okay? First of all, it's a great looking sales page, so you may leave it there yourself, but what about the price? What if you don't want to sell it for $7? Okay, there's the price, and there's the cart button. Well, I don't know what to do with that cart button. Then it says your name right here. I don't know how do I edit that? So your customers are gonna have a lot of problems looking at HTML and not being able to figure it out. And that scares a lot of people away. But when you add bonuses like this, you can put your name, you can put your support desk and your email, you can enter your opt-in form right there. Okay, so do that. You can put your free report download link. You could, it's already set up. The URL for the Webinar Authority sales page, there it is. What if I wanted the price to be $17? All right. How about the checkout link? You go to PayPal and you get your checkout link and you enter it right in here. You don't have to go in searching. How about the download link for the product? Put that download link right in there. How about an affiliate link that you want on the thank you page? Let's say Dave's products are cool. All right, and then there's a link here to Dave's products. All right, and then the price for the OTO. What if you don't want it to be 17, you want it to be 27? And you do that same thing. You put all the downloads and everything. We make a new folder. Go ahead and put that in there. All right, look at that. Just like that, our software built the front sales page, the opt-in page, and the upsell page for us. Let's take a look. Let's see, let's scroll down. There's our price change, 17, 17, 17. If I put a PayPal link in here, it would have changed it for us, but I just have a direct link to PayPal. All right, so you can see how that worked there. But I would have my cart link in there. We kept the same name, but or I put Mike Smith in there because it said your name before that. What about the thank you page? Congratulations. Dave's products are cool. Here's a special offer right here. You go to davidcisneros.com. It's taking me there automatically, right? That's how we use the software product builder to build really cool. Oh, that's the actual ebook there. But let me go to the opt-in page. This is all set up already. Here's the thank you page for the opt-in. The download link, we would have set that up. All right, ready to go. Okay, so that's just one other way that you can use the software product builder. Now, using this software here, if I just bring it into a nutshell, because we're at about 25 minutes in this video, and I don't want to take up too much of your time, but can you see yourself using a piece of software like this to edit mobile templates, to edit private label rights products, to edit anything with HTML? How about a certificate maker? How about, have you ever seen a license with a private label rights product. Okay, here's one for example, or here's a certificate. You know, how about you can build one of these master resale rights certificates right here, where you can easily build these for your products, or sell the software so that others can build these products. All right, really simple software. And when you get access to this, you have complete video tutorial training. You're going to have access, all these samples that I gave you or that I showed you, you're getting access to every one of them. Okay, you're getting the plugin rebrander, you're getting the squeeze page samples, so that you can see firsthand how I built these pieces of software. I don't want you to be left in the dark at all. Okay, so hopefully you have an understanding now of how this software works, what you can do with it. Of course, I didn't even go into most of, some of the really good details, like building a branding tool. Here's a branding tool right here. So you can build a branding tool. You can allow the author to change the name. You can change registration codes. You can allow them, maybe they don't like the background and they want to change the background out. They can change out the background. Here's the registration code setup. If you want them to have to opt into an email form before they use the software, you can go ahead and do that. You can sell the rebranding tool to your customers so that their customers have to use the registration code. So it's a built-in list building tool. All right. There are so many different ways that you can use this, even with the extra options here. Here's the configure extra menu, where you can add a ton of affiliate links built into your software. It is really cool what this software can do, more than I can ever explain just in this little presentation for you. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in my support desk. But I am telling you this, the page that you are going to be directed to purchase this product, I'm going to send you directly to the original sales page. Okay, when you go to that sales page, you're going to see what the price is going to be once this is finished. And that's just going to be just for this one piece of software. All right. Below that, let me go ahead and head there right now so I could show you. All right. So we're at the software product builder. And for a limited time, you can see everything you want to see here on this page here. There's some more samples, and we're going to give you everything that's on this page. But for a limited time, you can click this add to cart button and get our special price of $47 for this software. You're never going to find software like this ever for this cheap. Okay? My regular price for the enterprise is what you're getting is $297. Now for this limited time, and ignore this because it depends on when I'm recording this video if this is relevant or not, but the countdown timer that you see above the video is what we're going to be going by. You click this add to cart button and you'll be able to purchase this for $47 until this timer runs out. Okay? So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. Take the time to go through this and make a good buying decision. But I tell you what, you're never ever going to get a deal like this again. And also, one other bonus that I want to throw in are my mobile website templates with PLR. All these products that I've made money with, I am going to be throwing those into the members area as well. So always just keep going back to the members area, to the download area, to see more and more and more of what you're going to get. So this is a special download area that's just going to be for you, my list. Okay, when I open this out and start running ads to it, to the general public, they're going to be going to a different place. But for my list, because you're a valued customer, I want you to have this for $47 for a limited time offer. It's only going to be open for 4 days. So hit that buy button. We'll see you in the members area, and I really appreciate your time and hanging on with me for this 30 minutes. And we'll see you in the members area, and we'll start building software. Also, one other thing I forgot. You're going to be added to our Skype group. You will be added to our Skype group when you become a member. All right, our Skype group, we already have customers in there that are building products, launching them on Warrior Plus. They are learning so much. We've had so many great reviews from our Skype members. They're loving it. It's a great community, and I want you to be part of that as well. So you can get entryway into that Skype group for this just one price, $47, but act fast because once this expires, that's going to be it on this price point. All right, thanks again, and we'll see you in the members area and in the Skype group. Take care.